Hello, this is Chef Jackie Angpo. Today, we are going to make chocolate-covered honey crunch. First, let's make a caramel with sugar, glucose, and water. Once it's nice and golden, you can add your baking soda, then stir vigorously and pour into an aluminum sheet. Set this aside until it falls a little and it cools completely. Once it's nice and cool, pour your melted Beryl's dark chocolate compound. And then refrigerate and do it on the other side. Okay, once it sets, you can break it into smaller pieces. Perfect addition to your Christmas bake sale.